This is Pickle Session Therapy number 3 with Jake Philip Bird. I'm here, assisted by Dr. Brian Sainosh.
Almost.
And assistant nurse Brandon Grease.
Nurse? Nurse? You made me a nurse?
Okay, a medical
assistant.
Shut up.
And I'm here with patient Jake Philip Bird, who's here to tell us more story about his father's addiction to fucking him with pickles.
Bird, before we start, I have something that might help you calm down so you can tell the story.
Uh-oh.
If that's what I think it is, I'll kill you.
Uh-oh.
You ready?
Uh-oh.
Where are you? And I'm so sorry.
Oh my god.
I can't believe I'm coming home tonight.
Alright, Mr. Bird. We last left off with the pickle shoved up your ass and skinny pickle shoved up your dick.
I don't want to talk about it.
Bird, it's okay to let you feel like that.
Mr. Jake Philip Bird, has there been any improvement with your father's addiction of shoving pickles up your ass? Dr. Sinaj, I think we need to take drastic measures now.
What is that?
Give him the big words. We gotta ask him a serious question.
Don't make me feel any better!
Jake,
He's making me feel more upset than you. I'm so
Okay, everybody calm down. It's time to be serious. We gotta be serious.
Hey, Bird.
Resuming our session with Mr. Jake Philip Bird. Sorry for the interruption.
First off, I just want to say one thing. I want to kill this fucking nurse. This nurse is not fucking helping me at all.
It's not a nurse.
It's a medical assistant.
Get it right.
Nurse who gives a shit. Mostly a nurse. A doctor's bitch.
Wait, what doctor?
I don't know whoever's fucking doing this fucking therapy session.
Me.
Yeah, Bird. Shut your fucking mouth, you whore bag. I'm sad that I gotta fucking read my pickles. I don't fucking feel you piece of shit.
Are you gonna need child support?
I don't fucking know anymore. I don't even fucking know. You're not helping me. You're making my life piece of shit. So why don't you shut your fucking whore mouth and fucking be a bitch just like you were? Fuck you. Fucking get on with the therapy session. I need to go home and watch fucking NCIS.
What?
Why NCIS? Why not CS?
Because it makes me feel better when someone fucking dies and I don't.
Whoa.
I think
Yeah.
before we continue, shut the fuck up, you whore cunt.
Oh.
Fucking bitch. Don't talk to me like that. I'm sad. I got raped. You didn't get shit. You're only got your $14 a fucking hour. You fucking cunt.
Whoa.
Before we proceed, I think we should address. Shut the fuck up, you cunt. I think we should address. Take your $14 an hour and shut it up, you old fucking vagina. Cause that's how much of a fucking slut you are.
Wait.
Fuck off.
Wait.
What do you fucking want?
Mr. Bird. He's a male.
That doesn't fucking matter. It's still a bitch.
I can't breathe. I'm crying.
I think we should address Bird's obsession with building pools so that he can. Oh, you just fuck off! Thinking about those gay-ass piece of shit! Go fuck off, you nurse! Go suck some other guy's dick! For all I fucking care!
Has your dad's...
Isn't that why you built the pool? I'm sorry, doctor, but your fucking bitch over here won't shut his fucking horn out!
Whoa.
Fucking dumb cunt!
He's just fucking whistling.
Alright, we're entering a public place, so if you guys give us weird looks, I'm about to punch you off. Just saying.
Fuck being whores over here. God! Assholes!
What?
To any of you people who take his therapy session, he's not fucking helping you. He's just making your life a little piece of shit. Like this fucking bitch over here. This fucking bitch has to fucking act like he's helping you, but no, he's fucking taking his $14 a piece of shit hours and shoving it over the ass, thinking that it's fucking okay to do what the fuck he wants to sad people like me. So why don't you take that 14 motherfucking gay ass fucking hours of yours and shove it up your own fucking ass? I'm depressed
for the
and
record,
you ain't shit.
For the record.
You shut the fuck up, doctor, because you don't know jack shit what I go through.
I know that you were adopted! Yeah, you bitch! Now shut the fuck up before I take a pickle and shove it up your nose again! Now you made the mechanic cry. I'm gonna beat your ass.
I'm not crying.